Dito pinapaharap ko lang dati na ako, but right now I'm new trainings, campus journalists, and sharing insights on how to write stories properly. So, gusto ko lang sabihin na huwag nyo, okay, magpagang manalo kasi andito na kayo at alam ko sobrang tight ng laban kasi national stress ko na to at first place kayo lahat from your different regions, pinakamagagaling kayo. Pero sana huwag nyo rin i-forget yung journey. Okay? It's okay to be focused with the destination but never ever forget the journey that comes with it. Kasi yung mga kasama ko sa Regional Schools Press Con, kahit talo kami, actually isa lang yung national sa akin, kahit tatlo kami doon, and then my best friends up to this day. And inaalala namin, alam mo, naaalala ko yung mga night calls namin, yung mga gala namin, pero hindi ko na maalala yung awarding, naalala ko lang yung place namin, pero hindi mo na maaalala yun. Ang pinaka-maalala nyo, yung ginawa yung memory with you guys. So, I'd like you to cherish it and just enjoy the moment.